In this video, I'll guide you through how to mirror files on Google Drive for desktop. If you're using Google Drive on your computer and you want all your files stored locally so they're always available, even without an internet connection, mirroring is the setting you're looking for. We'll go through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along, even if you're not very technical. First, make sure Google Drive for desktop is installed on your computer and that you're signed in. This is the small app that runs in the background, usually with a drive-shaped icon in your system tray on Windows or in the menu bar on a Mac. Go ahead and open Google Drive for desktop. The easiest way to do this is to click that small Google Drive icon. If you don't see it right away, you might need to click the little arrow on Windows to show hidden icons, or look along the top bar on a Mac. Once Google Drive for desktop is open, look for the settings option. This is typically represented by a small gear icon. Click that gear, and from the menu that appears, choose Preferences. Preferences is where you control how Google Drive behaves on your computer, including how files are stored and synced. When the Preferences window opens, you'll see a few different sections. Find the section labeled Google Drive. This is where you choose between streaming your files or mirroring them. Take a moment to make sure you're in that Google Drive section before making any changes. Now you'll see two main options: stream files and mirror files. By default, many people have stream files selected. Streaming keeps most of your files in the cloud and only downloads them when you open them, which saves space on your computer. But for this tutorial, we want to change that so every file is fully stored on your device. Select the option called Mirror Files. When you choose Mirror Files, Google Drive will keep a complete copy of all your Drive files, both in the cloud and on your computer. This means you can open, edit, and organize your files even when you don't have an internet connection. Later, when you're back online, any changes you made will sync automatically back to Google Drive. After selecting Mirror Files, look for the Save button, usually at the bottom of the window. Click Save to confirm your choice. This step is important. If you close the window without saving, your changes won't be applied. Once you click Save, Google Drive for desktop will begin downloading all of your Drive files to your computer. Depending on how many files you have and the speed of your internet connection, this process can take a while. It will run in the background so you can continue using your computer as usual. You'll notice that your Google Drive folder on your computer gradually fills with all your documents, photos, and other files. From this point on, any new files you add to Google Drive, whether from the web or from your computer, will be mirrored automatically. They'll exist both in the cloud and on your local drive, keeping everything consistent and available whenever you need it.